What we have here is the extremely limited Lamborghini Murcielago LP670-4 SuperVeloce China Edition. In fact, there are only 10 were ever made. So let's get started. This China edition SV Lambo looks very aggressive with the stealth looking gray paint. From the low hanging front splitter to the high mounted fixed wing, it screams downforce. There is something off about the headlight tampos. I don't remember the Murcielago having two vertical lines in the headlight housing. Makes me scratch my head. That is very interesting. But it is sitting on this PR5 plastic wheels, the SV emblem above the rear wheel, and aggressive side apron. The rear is as serious as the front, with the integrated diffuser below and a huge wing. It's all functional, and all are done nicely. Still can't get over the headlights, but you can see the orange center stripes, Lamborghini logo, textured honeycomb grille. The rear vents are also a honeycomb design. I added taillights to make it more realistic. Check out the plastic molded interior. You can barely see it because of the dark tinted windows, and behind it is the massive V12 motor. So that concludes this Lamborghini Murcielago SuperVeloce. It is a very solid piece from Hot Wheels. Please check out my other videos. That's the end of it.